Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add subdomain on GoDaddy. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to log into your account and you will end up over the dashboard. On the left side of the menu, you will find domain. Click on that and you will end up over here. You might find multiple domains over here if you have multiple domains from GoDaddy. So make sure to go to the same domain settings where you want to add subdomain. So I have only one over here. So I'm going with the domain settings over here. On the left side of the menu, we have DNS. Click on this and here you are going to select your domain. Once it's done, as you can see, we are going to click on forwarding and here you can see we have an option for subdomains and we can add forwarding from over here. Click on this option. Here you can name your subdomain URL as you can see. So I'm going to write tools. We have destination URL also. So we have just entered URL over here and after that select the forwarding type and click on save. And once it's done, at the top right corner you can see that your forwarding changes have been successfully updated. This might take at least up to 48 hours to update globally. So just remember that. And at the bottom, you have your subdomain. So this is how to add subdomains on GoDaddy. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.